Jack here, and I've got with me the VEVOR 600-watt solar street light with IP66 waterproofing and 600 lumens for your outdoor patio, your deck, your house, your backyard. Wherever you want to put this street light, it's sure to keep your backyard well illuminated during the night without having to plug into the wall. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free for this video, but as always, that won't change anything that I say. There's a few different power variations. This one is the 600-watt. It features moisture and waterproof OSRAM LEDs, and the battery pack is 30,000 milliamp plus, which is plenty of storage to keep your light going even after a couple cloudy days. Now again, because it's solar powered, you do get the benefit of wire-free installation. Now here's the solar panel light itself. It does measure about 31 inches by 12.9 inches, so it's a pretty decent size, and you can see all those different LED cells on that side. On the reverse side, you've got a really nice solar panel that's going to capture plenty of sunlight to illuminate and charge this street lamp. So here's a quick shot of everything that comes in that package. Again, here is the solar panel light itself. There's all your mounting hardware with your batteries in there. We're going to open that up when I install this in just a moment. There's your Allen key, which is going to help you install it, and then your two remotes. All of their modes and remote functions are outlined here, so do take a look at that for more information. On the other side here, we've got the pole itself. This is actually what you mount into the wall or on the post. So you have the option of using the post and then taking this bracket here and connecting both of them together, or you can mount it directly to a wall, which is this side if you wanted to. This side here is where that post actually inserts, and then you would go ahead and take this top bracket here to attach it like so and bolt that down. And that's going to allow you to connect this guy here. You do want to pay attention to which direction the sun is facing. You want to have that south sun for most efficient charging, but you can get away with the north sun as well. For this video, we decided to use the post mounted to a previously existing wood structure. All we did was we attached the street lamp before we elevated the post. Now it's all the way up there. I do feel like it's a pretty great light. It's not always the brightest, but it's plenty good to keep a little bit of illumination on the ground to make sure that it's a deterrent for people snooping around, maybe even just to keep animals away, or just to help you see when you're working or walking around in the dark. Anyway, if you're in the market for a 600-watt or similar solar-powered street lamp for your backyard, your garden, your driveway, or anywhere that you'd like to increase security or illumination, I think this VEVOR is a really solid option. Hopefully this video helped your purchase decision. It wasn't too tough to install, but all things considered, I think it's a solid option. Thanks for watching.